Hey, it's... Hey! Hey, it's Tom Gozney here, and I'm so proud to introduce the Dome. 3 years in the making, and the Dome is everything we wanted it to be. And just like everything we do, it's made to a commercial specification, just like our restaurant ovens. The Dome is arguably the most versatile oven on the market, and so simple to use. We've thought of absolutely everything, so you can focus on creating amazing wood-fired food at home. Reaching up and over 500 degrees Celsius or 950 degrees Fahrenheit and standing at 65 inches tall, you can choose between wood, gas, and charcoal as fuel. This oven is a clear step up on any wood-fired oven you have used. The Dome is made of ceramic-coated steel, perfect for all year-round outdoor use, and it sits on this base, which we call our dock. The Dome has a super thick stone floor. This means the oven stays hotter for longer because of its thermal mass. It means you get perfectly crispy pizzas time after time, and when you're slow cooking, it re-radiates the heat gently around the oven. The oven floor is 22 inches wide and 18 inches deep, so that means you can get a large 16-inch pizza or maybe a couple of small pizzas if you're feeling ambitious. Dome is really densely insulated, proportionate to our commercial ovens, meaning that it uses less fuel, it has even heat distribution and absolutely incredible heat retention. The Dome also has a built-in digital thermometer, making sure that you can always easily track the temperature of the oven, with 2 additional meat probes, making sure that you can always nail your medium rare. Unlike any other oven before, we've incorporated a smart air intake system. This gives you the ability to supercharge a wood flame or turn it up or down for precise temperature control. It's features and functionality like this that make cooking with a Dome so easy, so you can master true wood-fired cooking at home. The optional stand puts the Dome at a great working height, with lockable wheels and side wings perfect for storage or prep. We've designed our gas burner to work in exactly the same way as wood, with a large, powerful rolling side flame that arches over the inside of the body, driving heat down into the floor. Turn the heat up and down really easily with the dial. The burner's insane design with the oven's insulated walls means you get 360 heat distribution, no cold spots ever. Stone ovens are incredible for baking, and every keen baker will know that you need moisture inside the oven to get the perfect crust. Cue the steamer. This injects water into the oven while you bake. For wood and gas models, we have the Stone Puck. This is simply interchangeable. If you're using gas, it slots over on the wood side, and if you're using wood, it slots on the gas side, creating additional floor space. This is the flame guard for when you're using gas. It simply stops ash and debris falling into the gas inlet. And this is the grate that goes under the wood fire, allowing airflow to supercharge your wood-fired flames. Cleaning is so simple, no ash in your eyes. Simply sweep the embers to one side and empty in one go. The next feature is super exciting. With the removal of the smart air regulator, the dock doubles up as an accessory port, meaning we've got loads of cool features coming in the future, making the Dome even more versatile. I can't wait for you to use the Dome. It's going to change the way you cook outdoors.